Okay, so when we have this scenario, A3 is 5, 5, 5, 5, like that. This is your code. You're passing your array. You have A dot length minus 2. So what is A dot length? Your I is starting with I, it'll be equals to A dot length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Is 3 I is greater than, is 3 is greater than 0? Yes, you'll do I minus minus will decrement. If A of I plus 1, so I is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. A of 4, what we have at index 4, which is 5. I'm just using the whole page for this so that it looks neat. Which is 5 is less than equals to A of I minus 1. So I is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, which is this one 5. Is 5 is less than equals to 5? Yes, you say A of I, which is A of I is 3 plus plus. So A of I index 3 plus plus 5 plus plus will be 6, right? So the value is now 6 at index 3. I minus minus I is now 2. And now you go and check the condition. If first you check your loop condition is 2 is greater than 0. Yes, 2 is greater than 0. Is greater than 0, true. You go inside, you have A of I plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. A of 3, what we have at A of 3 is 6. Is 6 is less than equals to A of I minus 1, which is A of I is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. And what we have at index 1 is 5. Is 6 is less than equals to 5? No. I minus minus I is now 1. Is 1 is greater than 0? Yes, you go inside if A of I plus 1, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2. A of 1 plus 1, index 2 is 5. Is 5 is less than equals to 1 minus 1 is 0. Over here 5, it's A of which is 5 as well. Is 5 is less than equals to 5? True. You go inside and you said A of I plus plus. A of I is 1. A of I is 1. 5 plus plus, it means 5 plus plus, add 1 to 5, which will be 6. And now you check I minus minus. I minus minus is 0. Is 0 is greater than 0? No, 0 is not greater than 0. We will stop the loop, and the content of your array is, sorry, for A3, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5. Any questions so far? Any questions on this? Let me remove. Okay, now we have A4. For A4, what we have is 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 6, 8, and 5. Zero index, 1, 2. Naming index is very important because, as you can see, we can keep track of the values. Now A dot length minus 2. What is A dot length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 2 is A dot length minus 2 is 4. And that's your I equals to 4. 4 greater than 0. Is 4 greater than 0? Yes, you go inside A of I plus 1. I is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. But we have it index 5. It's 5. Is 5 is less than equals to I minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. A of 3. What we have it index 3? 6. Is 5 is less than equals to 6? No. I minus minus. I is now 3. Is 3 is greater than 0? Yes. You go inside if A of I plus 1. I is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. What we have at index 4? It's 8. Is 8 is less than equals to, oh, sorry, the previous one was true. 5 is less than equals to 6. It's less than 6. So we go inside A of I, it's plus plus. A of I plus plus. A of I was 4. 4 was 8. And 8 plus plus, it will be 9. And then you do I plus plus, we are at index 3. And now we are testing index 3, A of I plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. At index 4, it's 9. It's 9. Is 9 is less than equals to I minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, which is 9. At index 2, I minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So at index 2, we have 9. Is 9 is less than equals to 9. 9 is not less than 9, but equals to 9. So a of I plus plus, a of I is 3. 3 is, at index 3, we have 6. 6 plus plus, it will be 7 now. So your index 3 and 4 is updated. I minus minus, I is now 2. Is 2 is greater than 0? Yes, we go inside. Again, you have a of I plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. What we have at index 3 is 7. Is 7 is less than equals to 2 minus 1 is 1. A of index 1 is 7. Again, yes, this is true. A of I plus plus, which is 2, index 2, which is 9. It's plus plus, it's now 10. Index 2 is holding 10. I minus minus, I is now 1. Is 1 is greater than 0? Yes, you again go inside. You have a of I plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. At index 2, we have 10. Is 10 is less than equals to, it's 10 less than equals to a of I minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So at index 0, we have 10. Is 10 is less than equals to 10? Yes, true. A of I, which is 1, which is 7, plus plus, it's now 8. And I minus minus, I is now 0. Is 0 is greater than 0? No, stop the loop. And final content of your array will be, let me remove this last statement. And the final content is, you have 10, comma, 8, comma, 10, comma, 7, 9, and 5 for A4.